human in form.
Fit
To soul.
Captured for the world.
This platinum cure silicone will become the skin, the texture, the lifelike touch of an ultra-realistic silicone doll.
The journey of an ultra-realistic silicone doll begins across oceans.
Welcome to one of the most advanced silicone manufacturing facilities in the world.
Tested. Quality begins before the door even opens.
Before transformation begins, the silicone must be conditioned, brought to the perfect state.
This silicone will touch skin. It must be safe. It must be perfect. It begins with a substance so pure, so perfectly engineered. This is how ultra-realistic silicone dolls are born.
In this state-of-the-art facility, every molecule is calculated, every batch perfect.
Beneath the skin lies a skeleton, engineered for posability, built to last.
Every joint, every hinge, tested for a lifetime of movement. From metal to movement, the foundation of realism.
Pigment, catalyst, and platinum silicone, the recipe for lifelike skin.
Consistency is everything. Too thick, and it won't mold. Too thin, and it won't hold shape.
Precision at scale. Every batch, every day, flawless.
Every skin tone must match exactly. There are over 40 shades in production. Translucency, that's the secret. Real skin lets light through, so must this.
Layer by layer, shape by shape, the body begins to feel human.
Muscle gives shape. Without it, the body would be flat, lifeless.
Now it's ready. Ready to become more than metal and foam.
Every pore, every line, captured from life, replicated in steel. Precision, millimeters matter. Too much space and the skin sags. Too little and it tears. Sealed, pressurized. In moments, liquid becomes life.
The heart of the process. Liquid silicone, under pressure, filling every curve, every detail.
Every bubble must escape. Every inch must be even. Perfection takes time. And now, we wait. Patience is part of the craft.
The reveal. The first moment of existence.
Even the smallest flaw is unacceptable. This is art. This is engineering.
Seams must vanish. The illusion depends on it.
Touch is truth. If you can feel it, it's not finished.
Hands tell stories. They must be as real as the face.
Hundreds of parts, each one unique, each one essential. Flexibility, realism, down to the fingertip.
Art and science, chemistry and craft. This is where dolls become portraits.
No two faces are the same. No two skin tones identical.
Veins, capillaries, the map of life beneath the skin.
In every light, it must be real.
Redness where blood pools, pale where bone lies close. Biology dictates beauty.
Color is not applied, it is built layer by transparent layer.
Texture, sheen, the details that make you forget it's silicone.
Reality is the reference. Perfection is the goal.
Lips are not flat. They are a spectrum, from rose to blush to nude.
The eyes, the soul's window, the hardest.
Shape, density, direction. Eyebrows frame the face.
Direction, focus. The eyes must agree, or the illusion fails.
One hair at a time. One angle at a time. There is no shortcut.
Lashes frame the eyes. Delicate. Essential.
The final touch. The eyes are alive.
Hours per face. Days per doll. This is craftsmanship.
From blank canvas to portrait, the transformation is complete.
A factory, yes, but also a studio. Every piece handcrafted.
Each body, unique. Each form, a study in anatomy.
Muscle gives strength. Shading gives the illusion of it.
Even the nails must be real. Every detail counts.
Two halves become one. Precision in every millimeter.
Good. Alignment, pressure, patience. The bond must be seamless.
Every joint must hold. Every movement must feel natural.
Posable, realistic, ready to hold, to gesture, to express.
Hair by hair, row by row. A wig is not worn, it is built.
The hairline must be invisible. The illusion depends on it.
Direction, density, variation. Real hair is never uniform. Styled, shaped, ready to become part of the whole.
For those who want more, custom makeup, unique beauty.
Glamour, elegance, tailored to desire.
Beauty defined, delivered, flawless.
Warmth where life flows. Coolness where it rests.
Care extends life. Maintenance preserves beauty.
Community, connection, shared passion.
Worldwide, borderless. Desire knows no distance.
Reviews, validation, trust earned.
From raw material to this, from chemistry to art, from factory to life.
This is the result of science, art, and obsession. This is the ultra-realistic silicone doll.
From birth to delivery. Transparent. Trustworthy.
Certified, authenticated, ready for the world.
Joints protected. Integrity preserved.
Custom fit. Zero movement. Safe passage guaranteed.
Moisture controlled.
Climate stable. Ready for any destination.
Discreet. Private. Your business is yours alone.
Logistics. Precision. Global reach.
Climate controlled. Temperature stable. Condition preserved.
Sealed. Secured. Tracked every mile.
From port to world, the gateway of global commerce.
Lifted, loaded, set sail.
Arrival. The moment anticipated. The unboxing. The reveal. Anticipation made real.
Posability. Expression. The difference between a statue and a companion.
Care, respect, connection.
Realism serves purpose. Presence soothes solitude.
Each pose a possibility. Each doll a story waiting to be written.